The Fresh Fusion's Infuser water bottle is a convenient way to stay hydrated. You simply slice up some of your favorite fruit, put it inside the infuser rod, fill up the bottle part way, and then put the rod back inside the bottle, refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours, and it's ready to drink.
Hydration. It's more than just a desire, it's a necessity. And satisfying that need is Embrava's premium BPA-free sport bottles, featuring the 18 and 32-ounce Triton copolyester bottles. These shatterproof bottles ensure the pure taste of drinking from glass without the delicateness of glass. Each bottle is frosted with a special reflective coating to help it retract the elements with style and functionality, tough enough to endure any activity. The carry straps of the Embrava bottles swivel around the top for easily securing or snagging them on the move. Cap it all off with a spill and dust-proof lid that opens at the push of a button and locks securely with a latch. The perfect solution to get fluid and stay fluid. The no-leak dust-proof lid keeps your liquid clean, while the wide nozzle and air intake holes supply a perfect flow of water down to the last drop. Whatever adventure life takes you on, Embrava can outlast the ride. Fortune favors the brave. Brave your journeys with Embrava.
Our 32-ounce Fruit Infuser water bottles are made of Eastman Triton, making it BPA-free, non-toxic, and shatterproof. We designed our infuser rod to reach the very bottom of our bottle. This is to ensure that no matter what water level you're at, every last drop will be flavored. The infuser cap features many water channels as well as a grip to make assembling easier. In addition to the O-ring inside the lid, we added an O-ring to the cap to ensure that there is no leaking. The bottles are extremely easy to assemble and feature dual hand grips on both sides, making it easy to fill and easy to drink from. The lids feature auto alignment, meaning that no matter where you start the lid, it will screw on to the perfect drinking position every time. We added a security metal loop above the button on the lid. This is so that the lid isn't accidentally opened when not in use. Simply disengage the metal loop, press the button, and you're ready to go. For extra convenience, we added a travel loop to the back of the lid. This makes it easy to carry around or attach to anything you'd like. Fruit-infused water is an excellent way to reduce your sugary drinks and increase your health. And if you don't know where to get started, all of our bottles come with an ebook of 20 of our favorite recipes.
This sport water bottle in large 32-ounce capacity, made from Eastman Triton material. Triton is BPA-free, food contact safe, unbreakable. The time marker printing easily. Track your daily water intake and adopt a healthy hydration habit. Well hydrated is proven to increase your energy level, facilitate weight loss, detox, and feeling rejuvenated. We have 5 color options for your choice.
With your Hydracy Infuser water bottle, say goodbye to plain boring water and start to enjoy delicious healthy infusion. Wherever you are, whenever you want. Preparing your infusion is really easy. Simply cut your fruits and insert the pieces in the infuser basket part. Put back the infuser, add some water, et voila! This bottle got everything you want, and more. It is 100% leak-proof. Easy to open, comfortable to hold, and even have an integrated timeline. The bottles are highly durable and shatterproof, and features a longer basket to keep your water infused till the last drop. In case of condensation, just cover your bottle with the sleeve to keep it dry and cooler longer. Soon enough, your Hydracy bottle will become your best companion to bring everywhere. With your delicious infusion packed with vitamins and nutrients, you will easily adopt a healthy hydration habit proven to increase your energy level, facilitate weight loss, and make you feel younger every day. Start your infusing journey in style and get your awesome bottle now.